Hello guys, welcome back to Cricket Aura by Ashish Ratty English version. I have been uploading videos on my Hindi channel for a long time now, but not uploading to this channel. Now I am going to tell you about this stationary ball drills, which is very important for many reasons. As a batter, you should try these drills at home as well. And first of all, come from this side. Yes, there's a very bright student from my academy. Okay, so what we are going to do is it is a stationary ball drill. Stationary means ball is stable. First of all, you need to hit stationary balls. This ball are not moving. Cricket is all about like hitting the moving object. But when you are starting cricket, you have to hit these balls to get the proper alignment of the body. While you are like extending your arms, body balance going forward, and you are stable in your hitting zone. Base needs to be very stable. So first of all, just demonstrate one shot. First of all, make sure your grip position is in right position, and your head is in right position. And first of all, you have to visualize the bowler bowling to you, and then your head position should move, your eyes should move in this direction towards the ball. First, you need to focus that ball is coming from that angle, whichever angle is ball is coming from. You are bowling lefty, righty, whoever bowling. Okay, now again you don't need to do it. This this guy always taps the bat a lot of times. This won't improve your batting. Tapping a lot, it won't improve. Focus on the ball, don't tap. Just just focus in front. Your elbow is in right position, right? Now now uh, distance is not that far, and you have to hit in front of your front leg. Okay, so you don't need to stretch your leg a lot forward. You don't need to do that. Okay. Okay, so first of all, his leg is in right position, aligned with the ball. His head is also aligned in the ball. But one problem I able to see through my naked eyes is that he is not extending his arms a lot. So his arms are like little bent. So you have to extend your arms, especially in today's generation where 2020 played too many times. So we have to play 2020 in future a lot. Okay, so you have to extend your arms. Okay, do it one more time. Extend your arms. Yeah, much better, but balance now. Your balance got little bit shaky, right? Good. So you have to hit at least 100 balls a day. You can do it at home as well. Okay. You are too close to the ball, and while hitting, keep a stable base for 5 seconds. Count it for 5 seconds. Don't go little bit. Yeah.
One,
Okay.
two, three, four, five.
So you need to keep that base, stable base. He lost his balance, right? Again, last ball.
One, two, three, four, five.
Very good. So now you can relax. So this is how it is going to happen in these drills. You have to do it perfectly. Then you can move to the next round, next advanced training, when you are playing the moving object. When bowlers are bowling with underarm throwdowns, then you can go to that stage. First of all, master these drills. Okay, if you can master these drills, and it is not like only new players, upcoming players are uh, have to do it. Amateur cricketers, not for just amateur cricketers, it's for professional cricketers as well. When we need to improve on some things, or our base is not going in completely balanced state, our stability is not feeling good about our stability, then I am also doing it time and time again, but not for many days. You have to do for a longer period of time to get better. I have already hit it in the past, so I don't need to do it that much, that many times, right? So I hope you like this video. Please do comment in the comment box section and tell me your queries. I'll try and make video about it. For now, till the next time, love you all.